Steady red or orange light error in Epson Printer. You cannot perform printing task while in this state of error. This error is not a reset waste pad counter issue. One cause of this light error is printing interruption, sudden turn off, or accidentally unplugged power cord while printing, or you unplug power cord because of paper jam. After this event happen, when you turn it on again, this error occur. How to solve? Simply press the black and white copy button, then press the ink and paper button, then release. Second method. Just simply turn off the printer and turn it on again. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.